Hey guys, and welcome to the Scale. And today we are going to be building a directory using GenSpark AI, which is one of my favoriteest AI tools. And this is going to be a complete A to Z, from finding an idea to collecting data, building the directory, and then uploading it to Hostinger so we can publish it. So stay tuned. So for step number one, there are numerous ways of finding directory ideas. Today, I'll go an easy route and I'll concentrate on AI tools. For this to happen, I will go to lowfruits.ai, which is my favorite keyword research tool. Then I'll go keyword finder, and my seed keyword is going to be best AI tools for. And this way, hopefully, we will get some low competition keywords that we can base our directory on. Okay, we have a little bit over 800 keywords ideas, which is good. And let me access them first. The reason I'm doing this is that I want the exact match. So I want best AI tools for, as opposed to does AI really work and will AI replace software testers? And I've gotten 438 keywords. What are the best AI tools for generating videos, general use, copywriting? And I actually need some credits to make this happen for you. So just give me a second. Okay, guys, we are back with more credits. So I'm actually using this tool on a regular basis. Okay. And these are going to be our potential directory ideas. So I want to select all pages. So 438 keywords that have the best AI tools for in them. And then I will just extract the SERPs. By the way, for the members of my school community, I will leave this whole keyword research list in a class that is becoming one of the students' favorites, which is best AI workflows. So this is going to be under GenSpark. And we already have classes on Abacus, Manus, and NotebookLM. Okay, now what I usually do is I go to SERP difficulty score and I choose 1 as max, meaning that I only want the lowest competition keywords to begin with. And we are left with 47 keywords. I guess I'll just read them one by one. Best AI tools for UPCS preparation. I don't know what that is, which may be a good thing. Tools for essays, engineering, writing essays, interview help. This is interesting. Job interviews, gold trading. Oh, I like that one already. Okay, so you should probably do your own due diligence, and you can do that easily by seeing who is ranking in the SERPs for these keywords. I see a lot of Reddit. I see some videos. Let me actually apply another filter. So I want those keywords that don't have exact title matches. So this would be 0 here. So only show me those who do not have exact title match. What are the best tools for essays, engineering, best AI tools for nurses? Okay, let's do this one, since this seems to be extremely low competition. So we've picked our niche. Okay, we've picked our seed keyword. And now, obviously, as our second step, we need to collect data. And we will start using GenSpark here. We'll go to AI Sheets, and we will run this little prompt, create a CSV file. Or since we're in Sheets, we can just say create a file featuring best AI tools for nurses. Aim for at least 50 of them. But I don't know how wide or narrow the niche is, so we'll see. For each tool, give me the URL, a short summary, features, pros and cons, pricing. And I don't really want actual pricing, I just want free versus paid. Otherwise, it's going to be a lot of work for GenSpark. And I want best for as a conclusion. Make sure all of the above are clearly differentiating these tools from one another. So what I mean here is that when it comes to these guys here, I want unique descriptions. I don't want some cookie cutter short summary that is exactly the same or very similar for each of these tools. So let's click on next. Okay, AI Sheets inside of GenSpark has concluded. We've gotten ourselves a big list of 54 or 52 tools. So we have the tool name, the URL, the short summary, the key features, pros and cons, pricing, and best for. Beautiful. So what I'll do, I'll just export this like so. All the information is here. This is amazing. And we have just concluded these steps here. So niche research is done. For some reason I'm using pink. It's okay. I'll use red for this one. Now we need to actually build our directory, and we will continue using GenSpark, but this time we will go to its AI developer mode. And before we proceed, what I like about GenSpark is that you are not stuck with using GenSpark for hosting. So this is going to be completely self-hosted. Even if you choose to host it on GenSpark server, you won't lose your project if you stop paying for your subscription. And also there are numerous hosting options from GitHub to Cloudflare, which is free. So you, unlike Lovable or Base 44 or Bolt.new, you're not actually stuck with using those subscription-based services. So this is what I like. Okay, now we have a choice here. We can go as detailed as we want. And if you wanted a directory with a backend that you can control, you would go for the full stack website or app. But for today, for demonstration purposes, I'll use this option, which is a simple website or app. Let's click on Start Building. And this is the prompt we're going to be using. Create a stunning directory, HTML directory that contains a search bar, categories, filters, navigational bar, based on the information attached. Because you guessed it, we will attach our Excel file, which is 50 essential AI tools for nurses. Okay, let's fire this up. And before we see what the directory is going to look like, let me remind you that I have a Search Gap Method school community, which has its flagship Search Gap method at its core, where I teach you how to rank using a fresh domain in 24 to 48 hours. You also get a rapid ranking system with 7 additional keyword research methods. I teach you how to create multimedia articles that rank through GenSpark Academy. I've mentioned the multi-model class, where I'm collecting the best AI workflows for the likes of GenSpark, Manus, Deep Agent, and similar multi-model LLMs. I have a niche hunting course with 20 plus free niche research methods. You get your local SEO Outranking Academy, where I teach you how to create ranking runs. You get access to amazing custom tools, so check it out. And if you go to the results section, you can see that people are ranking with my method, posting results, discussing the best applications, what's working for them. Oh, this is amazing. Okay, let's take a look. And this is how our directory looks like. I have different products which you can go to the website of. Then you have different categories. You can sort by pricing, you can sort by name. You can reset all the filters. You can search. So if I search for Philips, this is fully working. Amazing. Now you can obviously publish your directory. You can use Cloudflare, you can self-host it, but what we'll do, we'll just go to the File Explorer, we'll download all the files, then we'll go to Hostinger, then Websites, then we'll click on Add Website, we'll choose a PHP HTML website. So if you have your domain, you can put it here. I'll just use a temporary domain. Then all you have to do is go to the File Manager, then as per this warning, do not upload anything here. You need to go to the public HTML folder, and then you can basically drag and drop it or select an option to upload. I'll use a folder option, but before that I will need to unzip the folder that I downloaded off of GenSpark. So let me go back, choose this folder, upload. And I actually should have gone for the file option, but that's okay. I will just copy and paste it here and delete the folder. So I basically copy pasted these files anyway. So these are the files that I downloaded from GenSpark. These are the same files. And now you don't have to do anything else. You just close this file manager. You go back to your website. This is our test domain, and you preview. And now you have just uploaded your directory to this test website. Now, if you want to make any changes, you can, and all you have to do is copy everything again, or use the same archive, go back to Gemini or GenSpark and make your edits. And this is basically how it works. So we've just gone through finding our idea. We used low fruits for that. Then we used AI sheets inside of GenSpark to collect data. Then we went to the AI developer and we used a simple mode. And then we used Hostinger to upload our directory, and we basically published it. So everything is gonna be in my school community. However, you can totally repeat this process. There are no fancy prompts. Everything is very easy. However, if you do decide to join the community, you will get an influx of information that will help you rank in no time. Hope this was helpful, and I'll see you soon. Cheers.